to all my Kikai fam! Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another makeup tutorial. I'm very much enjoying playing with my makeup lately, so I would like to share with you the process how I have created my most recent look. So ayan, ito yung mga products na ginagamit ko, like Maybelline for my foundation. This is a very nice lightweight pero medium coverage, medium to heavy coverage siya. So that's really helpful na to make your skin breathe kahit may makeup na kayo or foundation. So for me, makeup really helps me, express my creativity, lalo na sa pag blend ng colors, and of course, how I can, make me look a little bit different. Paminsan-minsan, it really just makes me feel so happy to be able to play with my makeup and to see different looks on me. So, wala lang, it's a hobby that I, started loving way back 2014, circa 2014. Yan. So, if you'll check this channel, I started creating YouTube channel because of makeup. So, lahat ng mga previous posts ko, like a few years back, ay all about makeup. So, now, I'm starting to love makeup again. So, I hope you don't mind me posting from time to time makeup tutorial, just to let out my creative juices and just to share with you, especially if you're also Kikai like me, how you can also sport different looks with different makeup, style and makeup, techniques. So, I'm starting to try out different techniques ulit because it has been a while. Medyo nakalimutan ko si makeup because, makeup is very expensive. So, lately, I'm starting to build up my makeup collection ulit, pero I'm not going to go overboard with it. I just bought some really, affordable. It's a mixture of affordable and, like high-end makeup. Yeah, like this one, the one I'm using for my eyebrows. Very, very affordable lang neto. It's from iMagic. You can buy it from Shopee. Super affordable. So, yan. It's a mixture. Kasi, of course, there are also affordable makeup naman na, they do justice and they have very good quality. You just need to research and also watch yung mga other reviews ng other makeup gurus. Yan. Today, I'm going to try out this technique, like a cut crease makeup look. I think this is my first time in a long time to try this makeup style. Kasi nga, I haven't been playing with makeup for so long. So, I'm so happy with the outcome. I like super easy lang pala nito gawin. You just need to make sure that you have the right equipment, or not equipment, but brushes to help you form that, style or form that line, make the line crisp. Lalo na kapag gumagawa ka ng cut crease. And of course, lately then, I'm into Korean makeup style. This look is actually what they call the e-girl makeup, like the gamers makeup, ganon. I just like it kasi very cute siya, or in other term, kawaii sa Korean. And it's easy to make. It's actually easy. Medyo natagalan lang ako in real life. Like, it took me about 30 minutes to an hour to perfect this kasi nga, I'm still trying it out again. Like, doing makeup, like extreme and extravagant makeup sa sarili ko. Pero, once you get the hang of it, I can say na sobrang madadalian na lang din kayo eventually. And I love the glitters in this palette. This one is from Club Clio, and I love the glitters here. So, ayan, I just add a little bit glitter on the eyes para medyo may pop. And eyeliner, guys. I know this can be very tricky, so that's what I do. Nilaline ko muna, ina-outline ko muna, and then I fill it in. So, there. And of course, You just need to make the colors like similar sa ilalim ng iyong mata para mag-create ng, you know, holistic vibe dun sa inyong look. So, ayan. Sobrang kinakabahan ako. Or actually not really, pero excited ako to share with you guys different makeup looks like what I have been planning for the past few weeks na. I wanted to create Halloween makeup looks for you guys, and I'm still trying out, you know, I'm still researching what looks I would like to recreate for you guys. Oh, there, the false eyelashes are on, and you can already see the difference sa ating look, how it can instantly make your eyes look prettier, more expressive, brighter. So that's the power of false eyelashes. And of course, white eyeliner, it also makes your eyes look bigger and more anime-ish. Ayan. Here, I'm just putting some highlights on my eyelids or inner corner. This one is from Blythe Careline. It's from Careline. And then also on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose para mayroong konting glitter and shine. And now for the cheeks, recently ganitong mga colors yung talagang gusto kong gamitin sa mukha ko. It makes you look younger and healthier. So these are corally like shade ng blushes, ng eyeshadows. So ayan, get ready with me cosmetics again for my cheeks, and this one is in Cheesecake if I'm not mistaken. Ayan. So just retouching my highlights, also putting it on the Cupid's bow. And this one is the fixing tint from Etude House. I used this like multiple times na since I bought it. It's really nice, and they said it's mask proof. So yeah, you can also use this if ever you'll be going out and you don't want yung lipstick ninyo ay mag-transfer sa mask. Yeah, so that's ginger milk tea, and then inside the inner corners I am using vintage red. Para magkaroon ng ombre look. There you go. Now, almost done. You just need to set it with my Max Prep and like fixing whatever. I forgot the name. And then, I'll just fix the hair. Yeah.